Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Favor Kings, and recently I've been looking into ways on how you can make some extra income online. And I'm not talking about anything crazy or huge investments. I'm talking about something simple to try out. Alright, so after doing a little bit of research, I came across a platform called LiteFinance. It is an international broker that allows anyone to trade the Forex markets, even the stocks or crypto, and also earn some extra income. Even if you've never tried trading before, you can also do this. Alright. So this right here showing on the screen is the platform. This is LiteFinance website, and it has a lot of cool stuff. It is safe, it is reliable, and has a lot of users. You see, when I was doing this research, what was more important to me is that it has been on the market for 20 good years, and it is one of the top 3 platforms for Forex trading in Latin America, and it also has over 3.47 million traders. And to be honest with you, I was hesitant at first, but when I discovered their copy trading, that completely changed things. I will explain what that means to you. Just give me a minute, alright? Now, copy trading means that you can automatically copy the trades of experienced traders, experienced and successful traders, alright? You get to choose someone you trust, and then their moves become yours automatically. So this is their copy trading platform. This is their page, and as you can see right here, you can see the favorite, you can see the popular, you can see the high profitability and the minimal risk. All right, so all you have to look right here is to look at the percentage, their win percentage, and also look at how long they've been trading on this particular platform and the number of people that follows them. All right, so as you can see right here, we have this person, 408 person are following this particular person, and 67 person are following this person, and 23 traders are also copying this person, while 97 people are copying this person. All right, so you can just look up everything to select the one you would like to copy. All right, so now after selecting the one you'd like to copy, the next thing you want to do is to check their minimal deposit to see if you can follow that particular person. So as you can see right here, this person's profitability, this is the right here showing on the screen. All right, and you can also read their details showing right here, and as you can see everything right here, say stop loss, copy to your loss limit. Right, so you can see minimum 950 to copy. This is the minimum deposit before you can be able to copy this particular trader. All right, so if you don't have up to this, you can just go back to select another trader. All right, you can go back to select another trader and check for their details as well. So this person right here, their minimum deposit is $100. As you can see right here, this is this person minimum deposit. So if you have $100, you can deposit with this person and start copying this particular person. And also, as you can see, this is the commission fee of this particular person, 30%. So meaning that each profit you guys make, this person will be collecting 30%. And he has 97 traders copying this particular person. This is their personal asset right here. He currently has 202 USD in his own personal account. And this is their profitability chart right here. This is the kind of money they've made every single month. They made loss in June, while they are currently making profit in July. All right, and you can also check their risk right here. You can check their risk, and you can see everything you need to see on the platform. These are the traders copying them every single month. You can also be a part of this and make money seamlessly with this particular trader. Now, one thing I want you to know is that not all trading platform offers this kind of thing. Not all of them, but LiteFinance is offering copy trading. All right. So as you can see, you can just check different traders on the platform to see which one suits you and which one you'd like to go for. All right, so this is it. You can check this out, and you can also create a demo account. As you can see right here, just create a demo account and check this platform out, play with everything, and once you are confident, go live with a small account and start for real and start trading for real. All right, and remember, all right, give it time. All right, and if you are looking for the link to join LiteFinance, you can check the description of this video. You find the link right there. Click on the link and register an account with them and ensure your account is also verified. And this will all for today in this particular video. I hope you've been able to get one or two things from this particular platform. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.